First at 5 o'clock, the state of Texas is in court today over the $800 million border security package. Last year, a federal judge placed an injunction on a section of the law passed in 2015. The state appealed.
Both sides argued today in the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans. And KXAN's political reporter Phil Prazen shows us the battle over the harboring provision.
Lawmakers passed House Bill 11 to stem illegal immigration and crime in Texas. It also created a new felony for anyone concealing, harboring, or shielding someone here illegally.
Impact churches, impact community centers. It would impact immigration law firms if we happen to be attending immigrants and helping them obtain their legal status.
Griselda Ponce from Ponce Law Firm says the bill has the possibility to break up mixed status families. If the state's intention is to target crime, she says the language should be narrowed.
Right now, everybody is already on alert. You know, our office has been bombarded with cases with people alarmed and worried for their family, their child, their spouse. And it's concerning because these people are our neighbors.
Lawmakers passed HB 11 after they felt the federal government wasn't enforcing the laws, including the national harboring law. Now lawyers from the Mexican-American Legal Defense and Education Fund are taking the state to court with 2 Texas property owners who don't ask renters about immigration status. David Cruz is one of them. He leases 2 single-family homes and 2 duplexes in San Antonio. The other, Valentin Reyes, leases a single-family home in Farmers Branch. MALDEF and 1.7 million people in Texas illegally now wait for a ruling. Phil Prazen, KXAN News.
The Texas Attorney General's office released this statement, quote, "We are proud to defend Texas' sovereign right to protect its residents from unscrupulous people who would take advantage of them." The court considering the case today is the same one that rejected one Texas city's rules to restrict immigrants. In 2006, the Farmers Branch City Council passed an ordinance to ban undocumented immigrants from renting property in that city. The ordinance required renters to show their legal documents to prove they could live in the United States. The measure sparked boycotts and a long legal battle. In 2013, the Court of Appeals ruled the ordinance was unconstitutional. Farmers Branch tried to appeal to the Supreme Court, but justices declined to review the case.